UBTH management don't carry Ogbonge salute give Edo Deputy Governor Shaibu for the better Matta he don't give the teaching hospital. Management of University of Benin Teaching Hospital, UBTH, don't pay courtesy visit to Edo Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu on Tuesday for Government House, Benin City. The reason for this courtesy visit is to inform the Deputy Governor about their 50th anniversary when go share next year. Professor Danliti Obaseki, when be the Chief Medical Director, University of Benin Teaching Hospital, will thank the Deputy Governor for his Ogbonge support to the hospital. Consi talk say to begin their 50th anniversary jollification, them go organize basic life support training where go be for Edo people about how them fit take apply first aid to people wey need them. It consti chook mouth for other Ogbonge activities to mark the 50th anniversary.
Your Excellency, we first of all want to appreciate you before we say anything. To thank you for all the support you have given to the hospital UBTH over the years. There are too numerous to mention, but I will mention just three. COVID was a major crisis that we faced, not just in the country, specifically in Edo State. And UBTH, being who we are and what we are, we're right in the middle of it now. But I want to remember that the support you give to the hospital, I know the number of times you came physically come and see what we needed to help us combat this virus. Specifically, it helped give us in repurposing and upgrading and redesigning our emergency room to an isolation center. Without that isolation center, which ended up treating the majority of COVID-19 patients in those states. I want to thank you for that. Secondly, Your Excellency, I want to also appreciate you. Now and again, without prompting, without us coming to beg you just, somebody from the office will just call us. We know you have problems with people who can't pay their bills. Please, CMD, send us a list of those. We regularly, without even us asking for it. It's unusual because it's a big problem in this town. A lot of persons can't pay their bill. Last year, we had to worry about 85 million. This year, more than 100 million already of bills that people could not pay. I can say confidently, you are just two of you that does this in this time. 50 years is a major milestone in any organization, in anybody's life. And because of the role and the things we've done in that hospital, we think it's not something we should celebrate quietly. We are going to make it a big celebration. We are going to make it an international celebration. We want to use that opportunity to first and foremost tell the federal government for Cyprus Hospital in Benin, the people of the state, the individuals of the state, thank you that we have had support, immense support for the past 49 years as a hospital. And we want to say thank you to our citizens. And we have done a lot of thank you activities. Because people will ask, why are you coming so soon? I mean, May is still far, but we have a series of activities lined up just to say thank you to the state. We want to, first of all, like this December, we said we want to do BLS training, basic life support training. That's something that is lacking. We don't know what to do when somebody drops, when somebody faints, when there's an emergency. This is common in more than one part of the world. Everybody should know how to handle such situations. Our responsibility as those in charge now is to prepare the ground for the next 50 years. We realize the major thing is that we realize that 50 years now down the road, a lot has not been done since then. The structures, the fixtures, the equipment, they are all very large. Some of the things we are using today are still not installed in 1973. We still have a generator, a 600 kV generator that was installed in the hospital. If you come to our laundry, we still have linen machines, dryers, washers that we installed. They are still working, but they are very inefficient. So we say our major thing, our major trust for the celebration is infrastructural upgrade. We need to prepare the hospital for the next 50 years. We need to take it up to the next level so that where we live can now last for another 50 years.
Deputy Governor for Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, who talked to the University of Benin Teaching Hospital, now Ogbonge institution, come still talk say them go treat am specially sake of the kind service when them dey provide. Shaibu come still talk say UBTH play Ogbonge role for the success of the National Sports Festival wey shele for Edo State. On top the 50th anniversary when e come, Shaibu come talk say government will continue to support them.
University of Benin Teaching Hospital at 50. Yeah, it's a milestone that we have to celebrate. All of us, we have to celebrate. It's not just the staff. It's not just the CMD and its teacher alone. All of us have to celebrate because the services it has given to this country, not just Edo State, is something we cannot quantify. And the manpower it has also produced is something we can also quantify. They are all over the world. Your products are all over the world. So University of Benin Teaching Hospital is there not to just serve Nigerians, but to serve the world. Because during COVID too, it didn't tell you, one of your products was our major resource person. And as at that time, we have to go and fetch him out in Finland, Dr. Greg. So, and Dr. Ogbonge too. A lot of your staff and products, people we have been relying on to carry out our own programs. And we do not also see UBTH as a federal institution. We see UBTH as our own. Because the first people that benefit from the University of Benin Teaching Hospital is we, the son of the soil. We are the one that benefit from us. So as a government, we are very responsible and responsive to that. We must treat University of Benin Teaching Hospital and other federal institutions like we treat our own state institution, because the first service we give it, render is to us. So it's not something we joke with. And also to thank you for the role you have been playing in assisting us in our medical care and also our programs. Each time we call you, you are always there for us. We have to participate. I will participate, and I know the governor and government will participate in this, because the governor have always insisted that we must, before we talk about anything, when we outline our program, especially in the area of medical care, he must always tell us, let's go to University of Benin Teaching Hospital, let's go to Area Specialist Hospital, let them give us resource persons. So I want to thank University of Benin Teaching Hospital and the management for always supporting Edo State government. During the sports festival, there was no need to beat around the bush. University of Benin, from my own study and what I know, because I'm a sportsman, your paramedics is second to none. So anybody that wants to do anything sport in Nigeria and you are interested in the care of athletes, you have to come to University of Benin, because they are the best. That is the truth. They are the best. Not because we are here, we all know. And that is why if there is any major tournament in Nigeria, they must look for you if they want to succeed.
Omo Aluke at Jakaye, TMC TV News. We could not remember see your PVC and your power. No say I'm giving any politician on election day.